Do you want to manifest your desire or your goal easily and effectively and quickly? Yes, that is your goal. You are at the right place, my friend. You are going to learn here a very powerful pretending technique to manifest quickly and easily and very, very fast. I am using this technique all the time. So my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal. I welcome you to my YouTube channel on hypnosis, NLP and law of attraction and persuasion. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. So my friend, come back here. So pretending technique. My friend, when I was conducting my workshop on hypnosis, I suddenly developed a technique called pretending technique. Means they pretend they are in a deep stage of hypnosis and they instantly went into deep stage of hypnosis. So I was wondering why it is working and what is happening. Then I realized when you pretend, you bypass the critical faculty of your conscious mind and suggestion goes directly into the subconscious mind. So I realized it's so powerful, then I created a very powerful technique called pretending to manifest what you want. Now this technique doesn't require you to close your eyes, my friend. This is something very, very interesting. It requires you to spend 5 or 15 minutes alone so that nobody disturbs you. Very, very important. That nobody disturbs you. Yes. And then pick up one thing which you want to manifest, not number of things. Pick one thing that you want to manifest, which you want, you desire to achieve. Pick one thing. And once you are ready with one thing, sit comfortably. Don't lie down, my friend. Sit comfortably and pretend that you have already manifested the thing with your eyes open. Pretend that you already manifested what you wanted to manifest. Already manifested, not going to manifest in the future. Already manifested. And when you already manifested notice how you feel when you already manifested. For example, if you want to make money, say for example, if you are in India, you want to make 2 lakhs rupees per month. So imagine, pretend that you already started making 2 lakhs rupees per month and how your life is changed and how you are feeling. If you want to buy a house, a new flat or house, you know what kind of house you want, you already made your goal or desire clearly. Pretend that you are living in that house right now, you already manifested. Now you can sit and do this for 5 to 15 minutes or you can act. Now what do you mean by act? Now if you are thinking of something, activity like you already got it. Say for example, a friend of mine who wanted to buy a new flat. So he had a flat already designed in his mind. So what he did, he imagined that flat is there, he's already there in that flat, already there, and started doing the activities what we are supposed to do in that flat as if it is already happened. That's what happened. Remember my friend, already happened, not in the future, already happened. And notice once you visualize that or pretend that has already happened, with your eyes open, notice what kind of feeling you get. Notice this wonderful positive feeling coming all over your body and mind. And notice what kind of emotions you get. My friend, pretending technique is very, very powerful. Now, you must be wondering, does it really work? It worked for me, my friend. I'll tell you some very important thing that happened with me in my past. I used to travel a lot in the train, long time back. And that time the tickets were very difficult, reservations were very difficult, you know, how at the time I'm talking about 20 years, 25 years back. So I used to do jewelry exhibitions that time. So I used to travel city to city. And then suddenly we want to go to another city, the reservations are not there, it is on waiting list. So when I'm on the station, number of times that happened, I visualize myself or see myself with my eyes open only, I'm already sitting in the train and going and enjoying in an AC 2 tire. The better the picture I got in my mind with the pretending, it happened. Certain days when I did not visualize or did not pretend properly, the pictures were not clear in my mind, it not happened. So remember, pretending is powerful. You remember it is said, fake it till you make it. Alright, it's the same principle. What happened? When you pretend, you are sending your subconscious mind a message that it is true. You already manifested it. So there is no doubt. All the doubts are gone. All the mental blocks are gone because you already manifested it. So your subconscious mind make it happen through the help of universal mind, and law of attraction works for you. So my friend, this is a very powerful technique. Use it and let me know in your comment once you use it how quickly you get the result. How quickly you get the result and what kind of result you got. And please like and share. Plus one very important thing, my friend, right now at the time of watching this video, creating this video, I am conducting a very powerful workshop on law of attraction, which is a WhatsApp workshop for 21 days. If you are really interested, call on the number, or there is a WhatsApp link is also there, WhatsApp group link is also there. Click on that and come, and the workshop is also happening. And in fact, not only law of attraction, I will be conducting a lot of other workshops also. So stay in tune, be in touch, and wait for new videos. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload this video, and see you in the future very soon. Thank you very much, and all the best and all the success.